Okay, today is 3:38 p.m., 24 January, Wednesday. We have a disclosure here. Connection, NinjaTrader broker, time and sell. Get it out of the way. It's 3:39. Get it out of the way. What we're looking at, the NinjaTrader 8 swing trading, where it comes with NinjaTrader 7 or NinjaTrader 8. You decide which platform you want to use. As we said before, this one here is straight out of the box, no optimization required, no trailing stop, target, stop loss, all of it has been tuned, and the trader does not need anything to do, just straight out of the box, activate it. That's all what you have to do. Run it for a few days, learn how the market runs, and then you can go live with it. As we said before in the previous video, that if this market moving, we'll be making money. If this market is not moving, don't take it out on us, guys. We cannot move the market for you. This is the only thing a trader have to comprehend, especially amateur traders have to comprehend, that if this market moving, you are making money. With the best professional traders, they're not going to be making more money than you do. If this market is not moving, you're not making money. Neither the guy has been trading for 20 years behind the screen is making money. So this one here, I want to explain a little bit, cover a little bit about the DEX today, because for the last few days we've been getting 700, 800, 1,000, 600, 700 all this week. Today, finally, the DAX moved, and the best trade for today we have, again, and that's why I love the minutes. The best trade for today we have is the DAX on the 3 minutes. One trade, not in and out of the market. One trade, folks. We enter one trade right after the market open at 9:39 at 540, and we exit at 393. Total profit for that trade is $9,131. Take a slippage, commission, tip for your broker. You're walking away with some serious money based on the 3 minute. And this is not an accident. If this market is moving, we are nailing it. Despite the money, because sometimes you will be making 200, sometimes you'll be making 2,000. The market comes in every day in a different color, in a different mysterious way. Let's put the numbers on the side. Let's look at the entry and the exit. The problem is predicting what is about to happen. And this is the most challenge in the market, to predict the whole things, the whole industry, based on a predicting, not on a MACD, following the market. When the market is going up, the MACD or an ATR telling you the market is going up. It's following the market. And there is 90% of the traders, they still don't get it. Following the market, trading the future, you're not going to get anywhere. Predicting. What we need, it doesn't matter what system, whether it's from us or somebody else, it's irrelevant. We need to predict. We don't need to look back, because what happened in the back, it doesn't matter. What it matters right now is the first bar on the right hand chart here. This is what is matter. So if it's irrelevant, I don't want to teach trading on the YouTube, but if we look at this entry, it happened before the breakout, and we have exit. The way we have exit here, that show you that you have not missed anything on that spike in this market when the market was trending. And that is lovely. Even on the pullback, if we notice how the market had jumped all the way to 434, pulling back to the 470, but we stayed on the trend. If you were doing the trailing stop, the dummy trailing stop, you would have got out. Even if you have the same entry, that trailing stop would have got you out here somewhere, and you would have lost a few ticks, and you missed the whole enchilada here. That is the difference between one auto trade and another, and that is what matters when we are trading the minutes. This is what is all about, the minutes. So with the Renko bar, you would have up and down, up and down, up and down, and that will cut you off many times doing the trade. Let's take another example on the 377 ticks. We had a losing trade here. Then we entered the market at 540, and we exit on the first pullback at 433. And this is a 377 take. And this is very nice. Let's take the 150 ticks. One trade. We took the first trade at 1021. We exit at 458, and it was done. And this is 150 ticks. We have the volume, and then we have the 288 ticks. Let's look at the 288 ticks. Also, we have a small losing trade. We entered the market at 546. We exit at 552. Then we enter at 39. And we were done at 1120. We have a lot of requests about why don't you try this and this and this. I mean, we've had some traders today that did something different. Let me see if I can find it. We have one guy today. I mean, I don't trade the NG, but also there is no more room to put anything. Sam, this auto trade is killing it, because this guy just got it yesterday. Just nailed 760 on one contract, NG on 3 minutes. Thank you, sir. This is nice to hear from a trader. Appreciate what we are doing. 1 minute ES. Let's look what happened on the ES. 1 minute. Fair enough. We had a losing trade at 1013. We enter at 52.75. We exit at 51.25. Anyone can afford a couple, 3 ticks. And then we enter the market at 850, and we exit at 839. Nailed 975 on 2 trades. Thank you very much. Because we hit the target, the auto trade did not continue. And this is the best way to do it. On a moving day like this, if you feel like you're done early and you still have another hour or so, very simple, right-click, reload script, yes, and then you reset the auto trade, and then the auto trade start working again. So it takes seconds, but I strongly advise you, trading, there is a lot of risk in the trading, so we should be happy for what we get and call it off. YM, 3 minutes. I have not looked at the YM today, so we will look at it together. Wow. Okay, I'll take that. We had you see, we have a lot of chops today. Okay, I can accept that. Then when the market start trending, we nailed it. We entered at 285, exit at 353. Then on the first pullback, 26271, and then 26154. If we wanted to continue, we would have entered this market right here, and we would have stayed on that trade. But a trader should say, enough for today is enough, because we don't know in half an hour what will happen in the market, guys. We don't know in the afternoon what will happen. So there is no, practically every instrument has locked the target for today. We will take also NASDAQ. We will take the 1 minute on the NASDAQ. Let's look at the NASDAQ 1 minute. We had a lot of trades today on the NASDAQ. We have to see the good days and the bad days. Very small trades, very small trades. By here you broke even. Very small trades. If you notice, nothing is 75, 25, 75, one tick. Very small trade, 77, 25, nothing. Just covering the commission. Enter at 77 level. Get out at we exit at 78.25. The NASDAQ is $5 per tick. It's nothing. And then we start, when the markets start moving, we start moving with it. And this is a $590. Let's say between the slippage and commission, let's put it $90 with the tip for a broker. You still can walk away with 500 on the NASDAQ. So when the market is moving, maybe one time frame is gonna make more than the other. It doesn't matter, but they will all make money. This one made 790 on the 5 range. Let's look at the 5 range. Also, we had a little chop today, a lot of trades. A lot of trades on the NASDAQ. And this is going to happen, folks. And then when the market is trending, we are catching it. So I want you to see the good side and the bad side. If this market moving, we are done and over with 1 trade or 2 trade or 3 trades max normally. But when the market, we start diving into the turbulence, then we're gonna be creating a few trades here and there. But the beauty about it, the first minute this market is trending, here is the problem. We don't know when the market is going to spike. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Let's take one more. Okay, let's take the Russell. Okay, very nice, a small sweet trade, losing trade. And then we enter at 612.9. We exit at 6.6, and on 2 trades, this one here, actually the Russell is pretty good. Again, this is the 3 minutes, folks. For the old traders, they've been trading behind the computer for a very long time. They know the reality on the trend. They know the range are good. They know the ticks are good, or they are sticking with the 1 minute or 3 minutes or 5 minutes. The older traders, they know better which one is a good time frame. And with the ticks, every trader has his own magic numbers. There is some traders, maybe they use 244. Some of them, they use the fib numbers, 288. Some of them, they use different, they can go up to 600, 700. But the only thing it is really respectable for me, first priority is the minutes, and then it comes right after the minutes. My favorite is the ticks, and then comes in the range. I'm not a big fan of the range. I like the range. Before the Renko bar came out, the range charts, they were the best to reverse the market. But after, when the Renko come out, the Renko bars are the best instrument to reverse the market with. Folks, that's all what we have for today. God bless you all, and see you another day. Bye for now.